I monetized my YouTube channel in just 9 days using only 5 Stickman videos. Every single one of those videos took off, helping me gain over 12,000 subscribers in a very short time. Since then, my channel has been consistently generating between $300 and $500 per day. In this video, I'm going to show you my entire process, step by step. You'll learn exactly how I create these Stickman videos completely for free, even if you're a beginner. I'll also introduce you to a website that I use to generate unlimited AI videos at no cost. It's completely free to use and doesn't add a watermark to your videos, making it perfect for content creators. If you're serious about growing a YouTube channel, make sure you watch this video until the end because I'll reveal everything you need to know. Right now, I run 5 Faceless YouTube channels, and together they generate over $30,000 per month. I created this channel to share the exact strategies, tools, and workflow that helped me achieve those results. So if you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my future uploads. And don't skip ahead, because by the end of this video, I'll show you the actual results we get from everything we build together. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. In the first step, search Google or Pinterest for a simple Stickman animation figure and download a Stickman animation as a symbol. For example, I downloaded this picture. After that, go to ChatGPT or any AI chatbot. Write this prompt. Provide me 20 topics for self-improvement, success habits, psychology, relationship lessons, or money mistakes. Then press enter. In the results, you will see 20 different topics. Now copy the script from the description below and paste it into ChatGPT. Then select your topic, copy it, paste it into the topic box, and press enter. So this is how we make animation videos. This is scene 1. And this is scene 2. And this is scene 3. After that, go to Chrome and search for Google Flow, then click on the website. After opening the website, log in with your Gmail account. After logging in, click on New Project. So this is the main interface. From this plus icon, upload the picture that we downloaded before as a symbol, then click on the Animate option. Copy the first prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Press enter and approve it. In a few seconds, your video will be ready. So the first prompt is converted into a video. Now copy the second prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Then press enter. After a moment, the second prompt is also converted into a video. Repeat the same process until all of your prompts are converted into videos. So I created 3 animation videos. Now save them by simply clicking on the video, then click on the download option. After that, come back to ChatGPT and write this prompt. Provide the voiceover in full, ready to copy, and press enter. So this is the text-to-speech script. Now we will convert it into a voice using an AI voice generator. But before I generate the voice, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a simple comment, even if it's just, thank you. Now copy the script and go to Chrome. Search for any AI voice generator, but I use Cartesia, so I search for Cartesia and click on the first website. Log in with your Gmail account. This website gives you 20,000 free credits. If you would like me to bring you a video about completely free and unlimited AI voice generator websites, tell me in the comments. Just say part 2. If I get 200 comments on this video, I will definitely bring that video to you. Okay, now let's choose a voice for our voiceover that matches the vibe of the Stickman animation.
Have you ever noticed how a single cup of coffee in the morning can completely change the rhythm?
There's something wonderful about the first cool morning.
I can't believe it actually worked. After all that waiting, it finally happened. This is unreal.
This voice is perfect for this video, so I will choose it. Now I paste my script here and click on the Generate button. In a second, the voice will be ready. Now let's check it.
Hash the psychology of first impressions. Win people in seconds. Did you know that people often form a first impression in just a few seconds? Before you even say much, your face, posture, and body language are already sending a message. That's why first impressions matter more than most people realize. The good news is that you don't need expensive clothes or a perfect appearance to make a great first impression. Simply standing tall, relaxing.
The voice is perfect, so download it to your device. Now open your video editor and import all of your media into the software. Then add everything to the timeline along with the voiceover, and sync each visual with the correct voice. After that, mute the original audio of the visuals and edit everything according to your needs. So my editing is complete. Now let's check the video. So let's start.
Hash the psychology of first impressions. Win people in seconds. Did you know that people often form a first impression in just a few seconds? Before you even say much, your face, posture, and body language are already sending a message. That's why first impressions matter more than most people realize. The good news is that you don't need expensive clothes or a perfect appearance to make a great first impression. Simply standing tall, relaxing your shoulders, and making natural eye contact can make you look more confident and trustworthy.
Wow, the video is amazing. Now export the video and save it to your device. So this is the complete process of making an animation video. Start today and earn money. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that my upcoming videos reach you easily. Goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.